Good morning. Today I want to encourage you to be a bringer. You know, Christmas time is the perfect time to invite someone to come to church with you. And this is so important because we've been working so hard to make sure that the gospel is going to be preached on Christmas Eve in a way that people possibly have never heard it before. And we want them to come out. We want you to invite them and bring them out to our Christmas Eve service. So go ahead and start inviting people. Be a bringer. In today's devotion, that's what it's about, is understanding this, that you can make the difference in someone's life. All you have to do is take the time to talk to them and share with them your faith and invite them to church and bring them into a place, an environment where the Holy Spirit is, where God can move in their life. I know that church is not the only place where someone can receive salvation. But you know what? I've seen a lot of people's lives changed over the years in a setting like that where faith touches faith, and when all of us come together glorifying God and just coming together as a church, we can see great things happen. Let's be a bringer during this Christmas season. God bless you. Until tomorrow, this is Pastor Allen reminding you that God has a plan and a purpose for your life.